Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see one past paper questions on bearings for year 9 students. If you want to make the video on any other topic, please let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. 058042 May June 11. This is the diagram they have given to you. They ask you the scale of drawing shows the position of the two towns A and C on the map. This is the position A and this is the position C. On the map, 1 centimeter represents 20 kilometers. Let's write down here. What did they say that? This is centimeter and this is kilometer. 1 centimeter represents 20 kilometers. They are asking, find the distance in kilometers from town A to town C. I need to calculate the distance between both the towns. As you can see that on the scale, this distance in centimeter is shown as 8 centimeter. I need to convert 8 centimeter into kilometers. How many kilometers will be there? I will be doing this in the ratio form. 1 divided by 8 is equal to 20 divided by x. I need to solve it for x. I'll do the cross multiplication on other side. That will be written as x is equal to 20 times 8, which is equals to 160 kilometers. My first answer is 160 kilometers. They are 160 kilometers apart from each other. Let's see the second part here. Measure and write the bearing of town C from town A. You have to draw the north at town A. If you can look at here, they have already drawn the north at A. We have to calculate the bearing of C from A. Let's do it here. Let's keep this protector here. We can see that this bearing is 60 degrees. Let's write down here. The bearing of A from C is 060 degree. The bearing is always written in 3 significant figures. That's why my bearing is 060 degree. Let's see the next part here. Town B is 140 kilometers from town C on a bearing of 150 degree. Mark accurately the position of town B on the scale drawing. I need to convert 140 kilometers into the centimeters first. We have the conversion that 1 centimeter represents 20 kilometers. I need to convert 140 kilometers are how many centimeters are there inside that. 1 over x will be written as 20 over 140. I can solve this here. Do the cross multiplication on both the sides. 140 is equal to 20x. X will be written as 140 divided by 20, which will be given you 7 centimeter. I need to plot 7 centimeter and showing that this position is town B, but town B is at a bearing of 150 from town C. From town C, I need to draw the north at town C. If you can look at the diagram here, they already plotted the north at town C. I need to plot 150 degree here. Let's plot 150 degree at C here. Let's keep the protector here at C. I need to plot 150 degree. This is your 150 degree here. Again, move it from here. I need to take the ruler and make a line. This is 150 degree bearing. I need to plot 7 centimeters and will show that the position of B. Let's plot 7 centimeter here. Let's take the ruler and keep it here at 0 and plot 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeters here. So this is the position of town B here. This is 7 centimeter. Let's see the next part here. Find the bearing of town C from town B. I need to calculate the bearing of town C from town B. I need to plot the north at B and then measure the bearing of town C. Let's draw it here. We need to plot the north at B. This is your north at B. I need to calculate the bearing of C from B. This shows you that I need to calculate this bearing. It is easy for me to calculate this if I get the answer for this part of my angle. What is this part? The north and the north here, they are parallel to each other. They both are interior angles of the lines because these two lines are parallel to each other and this will be considered as a transversals. These two are interior angles. We know that interior angles are add up to 180 degree. If 150 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree, my x value will be written as 180 minus 150, which is equals to 30 degree. This angle x is 30 degree. I need to calculate the bearing. To calculate this remaining bearing, I can subtract 30 degree from 360 degree. Let's write down the answer here. 360 degree minus 30 degree, which will be equal to 330 degree. My bearing of town C from town B is 330 degrees. Let's see the next question here. A lake on the map has an area of 0.15 centimeter square. Work out the actual area of the lake. The relation they have given to us is 1 centimeter is equal to 20 kilometers. Here they are talking about the area which is in centimeter square. This relation is in centimeter. I have to do the square on both the sides. Let's do the square on both the sides here. 1 square will be 1 centimeter square will be written as centimeter square. 20 square is 2 times 2 is 4 and double zeros, it is 400 kilometer square. I have to convert 0.15 centimeter square. Let's write down here 0.15 centimeter square is how many kilometers square that I need to calculate it. I will do it with the ratio form. 1 divided by 0.15 is equal to 400 divided by x. Let's do the cross multiplication on both the sides here. X is equal to 400 times 0.15. If I move this decimal 2 units to the right, I will write down 100 in the denominator. 2 zeros will got cancelled from here. 15 multiplied by 4. 15 multiplied by 4 is 60. My answer is 60 kilometer square. That will be the actual area of the lake. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.